Welcome. It's Brightest Life, and today, we are going to share with you a good topic video. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button to keep you updated of our upcoming videos. We will be pleased if you also click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Health benefits of dancing. Dancing can be a way to stay fit for people of all ages, shapes, and sizes. Dancing can improve your muscle tone, strength, endurance, and fitness. Dancing is a great way to meet new friends. See your doctor for a checkup if you have a medical condition, are overweight, are over 40 years of age, or are unfit. There are many forms of dance, from ballroom to barn dancing and disco to Morris dancing. Dance has always been a part of human culture, rituals, and celebrations. Today, most dancing is about recreation and self-expression, although it can also be done as a competitive activity. Dancing is an enjoyable way to be more physically active and stay fit. Health benefits of dancing. Dancing can be a way to stay fit for people of all ages, shapes, and sizes. It has a wide range of physical and mental benefits, including improved condition of your heart and lungs, increased muscular strength, endurance, and motor fitness, increased aerobic fitness, improved muscle tone and strength, weight management, stronger bones and reduced risk of osteoporosis, better coordination, agility, and flexibility, improved balance and spatial awareness, increased physical confidence, improved mental functioning, improved general and psychological well-being, greater self-confidence and self-esteem, better social skills. Getting started with dancing. You can dance in a group, with a partner, or on your own. There are lots of different places where you can enjoy dancing, for example, at dance schools, social venues, community halls, and in your own home. Dancing has become such a popular way to be active and keep fit that most fitness clubs now offer dance classes in their group exercise programs. Dancing can be done both competitively and socially. It can be a great recreational and sporting choice because anyone of any age can take part. It doesn't matter whether it is cold or raining, as dancing is usually done indoors. The gear you need for dancing will depend on the style of dancing you choose. For example, tap dancing will involve buying tap shoes, whereas ballet will need ballet slippers and ballet clothing. To get started, simply choose a style you enjoy or would like to try. Look in the yellow pages or online for dance schools in your local area and join a class. Types of dance. There are many styles of dance to choose from, each with its own attractions. Popular styles of dancing include ballet, mostly performed to classical music. This dance style focuses on strength, technique, and flexibility. Ballroom dancing, this involves a number of partner dancing styles such as the waltz, swing, foxtrot, rumba, and tango. Belly dancing, originating in the Middle East, this dance style is a fun way to exercise. Hip-hop, performed mostly to hip-hop music, this urban dance style can involve breaking, popping, locking, and freestyling. Jazz, a high-energy dance style involving kicks, leaps, and turns to the beat of the music. Pole dancing has become increasingly popular as a form of exercise. It involves sensual dancing with a vertical pole and requires muscle endurance, coordination, and upper and lower body strength. Salsa, involving a mixture of Caribbean, Latin American and African influences, salsa is usually a partner dance and emphasizes rhythms and sensuality. Square dancing, a type of folk dancing where four couples dance in a square pattern, moving around each other and changing partners. Tap dancing focuses on timing and beats. The name originates from the tapping sounds made when the small metal plates on the dancer's shoes touch the ground. Choosing a dance style. When choosing a dance style, ask yourself questions such as: do I want to dance to improve my fitness? Am I trying to improve my flexibility and coordination? Do I prefer fast dancing or slow dancing? Do I want to dance with a partner or on my own? Do I want to join a group or have private lessons? Will I enjoy competitions, or do I want to dance just for fun? General tips for dancing. If you are thinking of taking up dancing, suggestions include: see your doctor for a checkup if you have a medical condition, are overweight, are over 40 years of age, or are unfit. Wear layers of clothing that you can take off as your body warms up. Do warm-up stretches or activities before you begin a dance session. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after dancing. Make sure you rest between dance sessions. Don't push yourself too far or too fast, especially if you are a beginner. Wear professionally fitted shoes appropriate to your style of dance. Check with your dance instructor that you are holding the correct form. Sit and watch new dance moves first. Learning new moves increases your risk of injury, especially if you are already tired. Perform regular leg strengthening exercises. Move as fluidly and gracefully as you can. Cool down after a dance session, including stretching. And that has been our episode for today for Brightest Life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Hit the notification button to keep you updated for more videos like this.